In this video, we discuss about binomial distribution. A coin is biased with probability of getting a head when tossed as 0.4. We toss this coin 5 times. What is the probability that we get exactly 3 times head? We will discuss about this question here in this video. One way of getting exactly 3 heads in 5 toss of coin is this, where in the first toss, second toss and third toss we get head, and in fourth and fifth toss we get tails. There is another way where in the first toss we get head, then a tail, then head, then tail, then head. You can also have tail, tail, then head, head, head. If we try to find out in how many ways we can get exactly 3 heads in 5 tosses, then that is equal to 5C3, which when we compute it will be 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3, and that gives us 10. So there are 10 ways to get exactly 3 heads in 5 tosses. Now, next task is, what is the probability of one way happening? Like, what is the probability that you get a head in the first toss, then another head in the second toss, then third head in the third toss, and then in remaining tosses you get tail? And if we look at that probability, then since the probability of getting a head is 0.4, so we will have to take the probability here as 0.4. Then probability of getting a head in the second toss is again 0.4, so we multiply that by 0.4. Probability of getting a head in third toss, that again is 0.4, so we multiply that by 0.4. Then in the fourth toss we are getting tail, and probability of getting a tail is 0.6, so we multiply that by 0.6, and we have in the fifth toss again tail, and the probability of that is 0.6. So you find here that 0.4 is getting multiplied 3 times and 0.6 is getting multiplied 2 times. If we look at the second way of getting 3 heads and 2 tails, then again you will notice that you will have 0.4 for this head, then 0.4 for the second head in the third toss, and again 0.4 for the head in the fifth toss, and 0.6 and 0.6 for the 2 tails which are there in the second and fourth toss. So once again you will have 3 times 0.4 multiplied and 2 times 0.6 multiplied. For the third way which we have just listed, here too you will have 0.4 multiplied 3 times and 0.6 multiplied 2 times. So in fact the probability of getting exactly 3 heads and 2 tails in any of the 10 ways will be equal to 0.4 to the power 3 multiplied by 0.6 to the power 2. And since we have 10 different ways in which we can get exactly 3 heads out of 5 tosses of this coin, so we'll have to multiply this probability by 10. So we get the required probability as 10 multiplied by 0.4 to the power 3 into 0.6 to the power 2. This is a binomial term, and we will discuss about this more in the next video.